Hello, future scientists! Unit 3, Living and Growing, is a very exciting unit where you learn that the world is full of living things that are alive. We call these living things. And who are the living things? It's you, me, everyone in your class is alive. You are alive because you can move, eat, breathe, grow, and use your senses. Even these animals are living things. Living things need special places to live, and we call that habitat. In this unit, we also learned about grown-up animals and their offspring, and learned about the life cycle of a frog and a butterfly. What's more exciting is that you learned about the stages of the human life cycle. Humans need to eat to grow and stay healthy, and you learned about what makes a healthy diet, right? And a diet must have foods from different food groups, and that water is very essential for all living things. Now let's complete our workbook on page 40, Water Diary. Anna made a water diary. Each day, she wrote how many glasses of water and milk that she drank. She included foods that gave her water. So you can see here, the row 1, water, row 2 is food, row 3 is milk. And then there are 5 days in her diary, starting from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, until Friday. Now, on letter A, which day did Anna drink the most water? What do you think? That is correct. It's on Friday. Why Friday? Because she drank 8 glasses of water. For letter B, which day did Anna drink the least water? Least means less, little. Okay, now look at the graph here and the pictures here. And it shows there that on Thursday, she drank only 1 glass of water. Letter C, which foods did Anna eat to give her water on Thursday? So what can you see there? All right, strawberries. Because strawberries are made up of approximately 92% water. Letter D, which day did Anna drink the most milk? Okay, when say most, it means more. Okay, it's on Tuesday where she had 3 glasses of milk. In your workbook, page 42, look after your teeth. Jack did not look after his teeth. He had toothache. The dentist had to pull out a tooth. Now, draw a picture in each box to show Jack what he should do to look after his teeth because he doesn't want to lose his tooth again. Okay, so he needs to take care of it. Now, on this column, you will draw a picture on what should you do, okay, to take or to look after your tooth or your teeth. And on this column, what should he drink? And then on letter B, you see these lines down, write a sentence to go with each picture. Just explain and say something about your drawing. So here, he should brush his teeth with toothbrush and toothpaste. Okay, because brushing and flossing are the most important things that you can do to keep your teeth and gums healthy. And toothpaste, they contain abrasives and detergents and also the fluoride, which is most common active ingredients in toothpaste. It means prevention from cavities. Now, what should he drink? He should drink water and milk. Why? Remember, milk is very rich in calcium and phosphorus, okay, that repair damage to your teeth. And remember, water is an important component of saliva and gastric juices, so which help digest food. What have you learned about living and growing? In your learner's book, page 71, sort these pictures into alive and never been alive. Then copy and complete the table below. You have here rocks, cat, keys, and flowers. Okay, so alive are flowers and cat, okay, animal and plant. For never been alive, so these things just like these rocks and keys. For number 2, which of these foods should you only eat every now and then? Okay? It means not all the time. Is it the apple, cheese, naan bread, cake, or the carrot? What do you think? Okay, so it's the answer here is cake. Why? Because cake is unhealthy if eaten in excess, meaning too much. Okay, because it is high in trans fats. So you have to eat only once in a while. Now let's answer this on your learner's book, page 72, quiz 1, biology. Draw a plant with roots, then use these words to label your plant: flower, leaf, stem, and roots. So this is how I made it. Now for number 2, Zara bought her mother a plant for her birthday. Choose all the things a plant needs to grow from these words: bread, milk, water, apples, air, and light. Only circle that a plant needs to grow. Okay, we have the water, what else? Air, and light. Number 3, look at these pictures of a seed growing. Match each picture with a correct label. These are the labels: seed, seed with shoot, seedling, plant. So letter A, that is the plant. For letter B, seedling. For letter C, seed. And D, that is the seed with shoot. Number 4, draw a picture of your body. Add labels for these parts. Okay? So, you know the parts of your body: nose, ear, mouth, arm, leg, eyes, arm, ankle, neck. So just draw it there and label them correctly. Now for number 5, match these animals to their offspring. These are the offspring: duckling, baby, kitten, lamb, and foal. Now down here are the pictures. You have here a horse, a duck, a mother, a cat, and a sheep. So duckling, the mother is the duck. Okay? For baby, the mother is the mother. And kitten will go to the cat, and the foal will go to the horse, and lamb will go to the sheep. Now copy this plate. Draw a healthy meal on it. Draw a healthy drink next to it. So make sure you know your healthy plate. Half of your plate should have food from vegetable and fruit groups, and 1/4 of the half plate will come from the starchy food group. So it could be rice, bread, pasta, potatoes. And the remaining 1/4 will come from the protein food group. So this composed of fish, meat, eggs, and beans. And what about your healthy drink? Apple juice or orange juice are healthy options. Now let's talk about habitat on number 7. Which animal lives in each habitat? Match each animal to where it lives. Letter A, that is a tree. B, under a rock. C, desert. And then for the animals, you have here a blackbird, a beetle, and camel. A blackbird lives in a tree, a beetle lives under a rock, and camel lives in a desert. Now, these pictures of humans growing are in the wrong order. Match each label with its picture to put them in order. You have here baby, toddler, child, teenager, adult, elderly person. Okay, so just look at these pictures and then label them correctly. For the baby, it will go on this letter B picture. The toddler is the letter C picture. What about the child? Okay, there's the child, this boy on picture A. And this teenager is this D picture. Now, what about the adult? See, just like your mom, letter F. And the elderly person, that's your grandpa, on letter E picture. So now what can you remember? Can you tell or show someone different animals that live in your school grounds? Or can you name the offspring of some animals? And even can talk about the life cycle of a frog. And also you can talk about why we need a healthy diet and what foods to eat to stay healthy. Again, thank you so much.